We're renting out these HYRAX boom lifts here in Southern Ontario. I'm Rod from New Star Rentals, and right here today we're on a job site with Dynamic Build, the largely agricultural building contractor. Yeah, so Dwayne from Dynamic, he come to us looking for a lightweight machine to work on the slats in the dairy barn. The capacity was 2,500 pounds per wheel for a four-wheel machine, and none of our boom lifts met that requirement, so we needed to go to one on tracks. The 5-ton HYRAX was a perfect fit. He needed to reach horizontally over the stalls, and that's why this was the only fit we had for him.
I'm Chico, and our company's name is Dynamic Builds. We try to have pride in our work. We try to do things, I guess you want to call it, cut above the rest, of the rest of the companies around. Well, presently we don't have a machine that could go on the slats like this machine does. Yeah, with the telescoping boom, we can reach out over things. For this application, it was a very great machine. Well, it's a very agile machine. It's very smooth to run. It's very fuel efficient.
My name is Murray Gingrich. I'm working for Dynamic Builds. It's a good machine. It functions nice, and it's quick up and down in the controls. And because you can't drive up on the pads, you got to stay off of them. Then you need the boom to reach over top of them to work on sealing, doing sealing and stuff. So we show this machine has a boom out over the pads and work over top, and drive along as well, working over top of the cow pads. So that's part of the reason we chose this machine too. So functions nice. Like the maneuvering part is nice, up and down and swiveling and stuff. That part is nice. It was newer and more safe, but it functions nice for a new machine. So it's higher up, you got to go up higher and different elevations to work in and stuff. And it's pretty interesting barn to work on. So it's turning all the functions, and we're just driving straight ahead. You put it in highest speed, and it moves pretty quick when you drive straight.
Very, very good diesel usage. When we use it in a 12-hour day, and usually it's about 15% of a gas tank that we'll use a day. That's it, which is about a gallon. When you're an operator and run equipment most of your life, excavators and all kinds of boom equipment, cherry pickers and stuff like that, you get used to joysticks. But this one here, everything is so smooth that it kind of works with your mind. You look over there and you want to be over there, and you go, and it just flows with you. It's a very, very flowable machine.